Hello dear students, in this video class I will explain you how you will install the Python in your computer, in your laptop or in your desktop. So you have to follow a step by step process to installing the Python. First you need to open your browser, then you have to type this URL https://www.python.org. Don't worry, I will show you practically. So first of all, you need to open your browser like this. I have opened the browser. Fine. You need to open the Google, and in this Google type Python. Click the first link you will get http://www.python.org. Now you need to click on this link. Fine. This is the official website of Python. Fine. Now here you will get the option of download, and you need to click on this download for Windows Python 3.9.5. What it is? It is the version of this Python. So I have just click on this link. Now see, it is start the downloading Python 3.9.5. Now see, start the downloading Python 3.9.5. So this download option, you need to click on this download tab. You will get download for Windows. I think most of the students have the Windows with you. If you have Mac OS, then you need to click on this Mac OS and download Python for Mac OS. But I think most of the users use the Windows application, Windows operating system. So for Windows operating system, you need to download here. Now let me check. It is download. Yes, it is downloaded. So I have open in the folder. Now see, here it is downloaded. Fine. This is downloaded. You need to double click on it. This window will appear. You need to click on this run. Okay. Now in this before proceed install now or customize installation, you need to just check this checkbox like add Python 3.9 to path. Now you need to check this checkbox. Okay, it is unchecked. Now check. You very most important thing, otherwise you have very problem while you will run your Python code. It's going to be very problem. It's going to be create your problem. So if you check this checkbox while installing this Python, then your problem will be solved. Now you need to click on install now option, press on yes. Now it is installing. Now setup process, now it is going to install. It will definitely, it will take some time, so you need to wait. Don't worry, it will take some time. Okay, now if it is installed successfully, then you will get the message setup was successful. Now you need to close the setup. Now Python is installed in your machine. Now the next step is how to open the Python interface or how to open the Python ideally. There is a 2 to 3 ways. First way is if you are using Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10, then definitely you will get the search option. In this you need to type Python. Now this Python ideally option will appear. Now you will get this option Python ideally. Fine. Hey, this is the interactive mode of Python in which you can write the code. This is the first way to open. Now the second way, you need to click on your start button, go to the P or Python. Now see, if the Python is installed in your machine, then you need to click on this Python. Then you need to click on ideally Python 3.9 64 bit. I am using Windows 10 64 bit, that is why it is showing. Now this is how you can open the Python ideally. Fine. In this window you need to write the code. Suppose if I write a is equal to 10. Now how you will print the value of a? We have the print function print a. It will print the value of a. Fine. This is the interactive mode as I have discussed in the Zoom class. Now what is the value of b? Suppose I have given b is equal to 20. How you will print the value of b? You need to type print b. Fine. So this is how you can install the Python in your computer, in your laptop. In the next class I will explain you the working with Python interactive mode and the script mode. Thank you everyone. Thank you for this session.